Hello student, MS is here. So today we are going to start the questions depends on the ratios and proportion. Okay. So the first question of this chapter we are going to solve. The question says the ratio of age of Seema and Rajshi. सीमा एंड राजशीष की एज का जो रेशियो है वो कितना बोल रहा है? इट इज 3:1. इट इज 3:1. Whereas the ratio of age of Rajshri and Atul is 2:3. Then we have to find the ratios of age of Seema, Rajshri and Atul. Okay. So first what is given we have to write first. So what is given? The ratio of age of Seema and Rajshri. So the ratio of age of Seema and Rajshri is 3:1. Therefore, Seema divided by Rajshri is equals to 3/1. 3/1. Okay. Now second condition. The ratio of age of Rajshri and Atul is 2:3. Therefore, Rajshri divided by Atul equals to 2/3. 2/3. Okay. See, here it is given that Seema's age in ratio is 3 and Rajshri is 1. But here Rajshri's age ratio is 2. So we have to equate this age ratio of Rajshri in both the equation. It is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. So here Rajshri's ratio for the age is 1 and here Rajshri's ratio for the age is 2. So here we have to multiply by 2. Then we will get Rajshri's age is 2. Again here is 2 ratio. Okay. So now multiply equation 1 by 2. If we will multiply this equation number 1 by 2, then we will get Seema divided by Rajshri equals to will become 6/2. Will become 6/2. So it is equation number 3. Now, if we can see that Rajshri's age ratio is here 2 and Rajshri's ratio is here again 2. That means now we can equate all the three. Therefore, Rajshri, therefore the ratio of age of Seema, Rajshri and Atul is, so Seema S2, Rajshri S2, Atul is capital is name, it is noun. Atul S2. Seema's age ratio is 6, so you have to write 6 S2. Rajshri's age is here भी 2 है and here also is 2. So we have to take 2 S2. Then Atul's age is 3. So 3. So it is the required ratio for Seema, Rajshri and Atul. Okay, and it is our answer. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the problems. Okay. So really this question is very easy one. Okay. So write down this first. Now, second question says, The second question says the length of rectangular field is 1.2 kilometer. Okay, so the rectangular field, so it is the rectangular field. Okay, so the length is 1.2 kilometer. It is 1.2 kilometer and the breadth is 400 meter and the breadth is 400 meter. 400 meter, then find the ratio of length and the breadth. Okay, so here the breadth given in meter and length given in kilometer, so we have to convert either kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer. दोनों में से किसी एक को हमको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा so that we can equate the unit of both the numbers. Okay, so solution. The length of rectangular field is 1.2 kilometer or 1.2 kilometer into 1000 meter. 1000 मीटर. सी किलोमीटर को अगर हमने 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया देन इट बिकम्स मीटर. देयरफॉर 1.2 into 1000 meter, so will become 1200 meter. 1200 meter will be the length and breadth is 400 meter. See, now we have both the numbers with same unit, then we can equate or we can calculate their ratios. Therefore, length divided by breadth equals to, length is 1200 meter divided by breadth is 400 meter. So meter and meter will get cancelled. 20 and 20 will also get cancelled. 4 ones is 4 and 4 threes are 12. Therefore, length divided by breadth equals to 3 divided by 1. Therefore, the ratio will be length as to breadth equals to 3:1. So it is our answer. Okay, so we have to write the result now. The result will be, so what will be result? The ratio of length and breadth of rectangular field is 3:1 and it is our answer. Okay, so see, really very easy question है हमारा रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन के. Okay, so write down this first. So now we are going to solve the third question. Okay, so the third question says the ratio of expenditure and income of Mahesh. So महेश के एक्सपेंडिचर एंड इनकम का रेशियो दिया हुआ है, इट इज 3:5. देन फाइंड द परसेंटेज ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस टू हिज इनकम. सो अपने इनकम का कितना परसेंटेज वो एक्सपेंड कर देता है वो हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो परसेंटेज का मतलब अभी हमको यहाँ पर दिया है 5 रुपीज में से 3 रुपीज खर्च कर रहा है एग्जाम्पल के लिए. सो हमको उस 5 रुपीज को 100 में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा and that effect is also we have to show in is expenditure. Okay, so 100 में कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, So we have to solve first. Solution. The ratio of expenditure or expenses and income of Mahesh is 3:5. Therefore, expenses divided by income equals to 3/5. ओके, सी हमको इनकम को जब एक्सपेंसेस परसेंट में निकालना है तो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द इनकम आल्सो इन परसेंट. परसेंट में 100 में से. सो 100 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे 5 को. सो हम फर्स्ट 100 डिवाइड बाय 5 करेंगे. तो 5 1 is 5 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 zeros are 0. That means if we will multiply 5 by 20 then we will get 100. Okay, so therefore multiply above ratio by 20 in order to make income ratio in 100. Therefore expenses divided by income equals to 3 into 20 divided by 5 into 20. So expenses divided by income equals to 3 into 20 is 60 divided by 5 into 20 is 100. सी अब ये 100 में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. दैट मीन्स ये जो एक्सपेंसेस है वो परसेंटेज में आ गया. परसेंट का मतलब होता है पर 100. ओके, सो therefore expenses ratio to his income is 60%. ओके, सो वो अपनी इनकम का 60% एक्सपेंड कर देता है. ओके, सो दैट इज आवर आंसर and it is our result. Okay, so write down this first. It is again one of the easiest question. Write down. So students, these questions are really very easy one. Okay, so in our practice set 4.1 we have few questions depend on these 3 questions. Okay, so you have to solve them. This is the task for today. Okay students, so आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.